Today, we're taking a deep dive into Mailganer, an email marketing tool that promises to simplify and enhance your email campaigns. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking for an efficient way to send bulk emails, this review will cover everything you need to know. Starting with the dashboard, Mailganer has a clean and modern interface, which is great because nobody wants to spend hours figuring out a complicated system. You can create email campaigns right away with its drag-and-drop email builder, which makes it beginner-friendly. There are several pre-designed templates to choose from, which can be useful if you want to save time. However, if you're looking for highly customizable templates, you might find the options a bit limited. Now, let's talk about automation. One of Mailganer's key selling points is its email automation feature, allowing users to set up email sequences based on user behavior. This can be great for businesses that want to nurture leads or send follow-ups without manually scheduling each email. While automation is smooth, I did notice that setting up complex workflows can be a bit tricky if you're new to email marketing software. Deliverability is another crucial factor when choosing an email marketing platform. Mailganer claims to have high deliverability rates, meaning your emails are less likely to end up in spam folders. In my experience, emails did reach inboxes, but some emails, especially those with promotional content, had mixed results. It's always a good idea to warm up your email domain and follow best practices to ensure your emails land where they should. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another aspect to consider is Mailganer's pricing. Compared to some of its competitors, it offers affordable plans, especially for startups and small businesses. However, the pricing structure can be a bit confusing, with extra costs for certain features. Make sure to check what's included in your plan before committing. Customer support is decent, with email and chat support available. However, response times can be slow at times, and there's no phone support, which could be a downside if you need urgent assistance. On the plus side, their knowledge base is filled with useful articles and guides to help troubleshoot common issues. One downside I found is the reporting and analytics section. While Mailganer provides basic metrics like open rates, click rates, and unsubscribe rates, it lacks deeper insights compared to some high-end competitors. If you rely heavily on data for decision-making, this could be a limitation. Overall, Mailganer is a solid choice for small to medium businesses looking for an easy-to-use and budget-friendly email marketing tool. It has strong automation, decent deliverability, and a user-friendly interface. However, if you need advanced analytics, extensive template customization, or premium customer support, you might want to explore other options before making a final decision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.